So now in this video we're going to talk about series resistors a little bit, and before we do though, check out the links down below. They all help out a lot, and please like and subscribe. So in any case, normally when we are working with 9 volts and I have a red LED I want to light up, I use 470 ohms of resistance. If you go a bit lower than that, you get probably more current than you want for the LED. You could go a little bit lower, but in any case, it sets the current to a pretty nice level for the red LED. And if you're using quarter-watt resistors, the resistor probably won't overheat. You get somewhere close to about half of its wattage rating. And you're below that though. That's the main thing. You're good to go. But for whatever reason, if you don't want to use 470 ohms of resistance, you can combine lower values that total basically the same amount of resistance. So these actually total 480 ohms, but that's only 10 less than 470. It's practically the same. And there you can see the current that you will get through the circuit, assuming the red LED drops exactly 2 volts and that's 9 volts exactly. It's basically the same right there, just a spec different. Now, the wattage for the lone resistor is the current right there times the voltage. And the 2 resistors there, the amount of voltage across them is the current times the resistance. So you got the voltage there. And because remember, when it comes to series components, the voltages add up. So that has 2 of the volts, and that's splitting about 7. So these are rounded off, but we got about 5 across the 330 ohm resistor. But it has the same current going through it that that one would have, and thus when you multiply those together, it doesn't get as hot. Hopefully that makes sense. And the lower value resistor gets even cooler right there. So that's probably slightly more than 5 volts, and that's probably slightly less than 2.25 volts. These are rounded off, but any case, there you can see the 150 ohm resistor with about 0.015 amps, 15 milliamps of current flowing through it. It's only got about 2.25 volts approximately across it, so it's gonna get, you know, less than half as hot as the 330, and you know, somewhere like a third, in the range of a third of just that single resistor right there. So you can add resistors in series so that they split up the power. They're all taking some of the voltage, even though you got a certain amount of current going through them. That lower voltage means they don't get as hot. Hopefully that makes sense.